We're 8 days in, 14-day quarantine, and I'm out of food and cooking stove alcohol, so I'm gonna go in town today and try to see what's up. See if I can get in and see how normal it is, and try to get some stuff before my food runs out. So anyway, I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride, and we'll see how this goes.
if everybody's getting as tired of watching YouTube as me. Down here we don't have cable TV, so everything that you watch pretty much comes through YouTube. Because any of the news you're going to get is going to be in Spanish, unless you're really good at Spanish. Yeah. So anyway, I hope the coronavirus thing is treating everybody good. It's just as boring here. We're on our 8th day of a 14-day lockdown. I tried to go to town today. It's actually kind of successful. One thing is, I'm gonna run out of cooking fuel tomorrow. I couldn't find any alcohol for my alcohol stove, and I made the mistake of going to the pharmacy and saying I needed alcohol, and the lady looked at me like I was crazy. But then after I left, I figured out that she probably thought I meant drinking alcohol, not rubbing alcohol. I was going to try to use rubbing alcohol on my stove so I could cook. So anyway, all my food is basically stuff I can't cook. I don't have to cook, which is stuff I normally don't eat, like bread and peanut butter, which I love peanut butter, and chips and smoked salamis I don't have to refrigerate. So anyway, I've got plenty of solar power. I can watch YouTube all day. Pretty boring stuff. And it's been raining like every 2 or 3 days, so I got plenty of drinking water. So all my water comes from the rain, so it's filtered down. So anyway, hope it's good for you guys, and I will catch you later. All right, this is living in paradise. Fun.
Sorry about the lack of content, but it's really hard making a video during this coronavirus thing. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out. I will catch you later.